Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Hoonyer, Hoonyer Alcohol Tester. It's the EK915 Breathalyzer designed for professional testing applications. Ooh, this is an alcoholic meter with 10 mouthpieces and a professional-grade accuracy breathalyzer with a digital LCD display. It's a portable alcohol tester with USB rechargeable plug-in built-in battery in black. It's really easy to use. We long press the start button. The product turns on with a beep sound. The screen shows wait and starts counting down. When the countdown reaches 0, the screen shows start. We blow now for 3 up to 5 seconds. Then our BAK results are displayed on the bright and easy to read LCD screen. And high precision, this alcohol tester is made of advanced high precision nanotechnology sensors to accurately measure the alcohol content in our blow gas. It can be used as a new part that you can check before you take a car, for example, to come home. Portable and really packaging is here. The professional breath alcoholic tester is only 126 to 51 to 23 millimeters and weighs only 90 grams, which is very comfortable to carry on the go, and it can be easily put in our bag and in our car. And we have a time-saving and comfort thing here. Environmentally protects and energy-saving. No need to replace the battery regularly. Really reduce the pollution of the environment. The device comes with a USB cable so you can charge it several areas. And always watch the power indicator. This saves time costs. And of course, it makes a cool job because the screens for the pretenses of the alcohol and provides the back estimate. Fast and easy to use, result all displayed on the screen. We have 4 digital accuracy and wide test range, dynamic environment compensation technology, and memory 1 to 3 test results. So that's really cool. We can choose or use the M button to switch between percent BAC, promille BAC, mg/L, g/L, mg/100 milliliters, or promille. Explanations are possible with these 6 kinds of units. Yeah, so we can take the right result what we have to need. That. And it's easy. It's a real all-rounder. Thanks to its easy operation and precise measurement, this breathalyzer is just as suitable for professionals as for private individuals. This high-precision semiconductor breathalyzer is very easy to use. We just press one button to operate, and secondly, it has a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, 3.7 volt, 1000 milliampere hour, and with a micro USB charging cable. It can be reloaded via power bank, AC adapter, computer, PC, a laptop, and so on. This allows us to perform 500 up to 800 alcohol tests. Simply blow into the mouthpiece to get an accurate BAC reading in just a few seconds. We can take it anywhere. This is very suitable for wedding, parties, banquets, or other society moments. For more accurate results, we should test 3 times every 3 up to 3 minutes to get an average value. After displaying the test result for 15 seconds without operation, it will automatically turn off. Energy saving, baby. We do not use the results as a basis for deciding whether to operate motor vehicles or equipped, or otherwise engage in dangerous behaviors, of course. We don't drive after drinking. We look for substitutes for driving after drinking alcohol. We have a result A. The BAC value is lower than the warning value. This screen shows the green and the alert sounds beep. We have a result B. The BAC value is between the warning value and the danger value. The screen displays yellow and the alert sounds beep beep, beepity beep, beepity beep beep. and result C, the BAC value is higher than the danger value. The screen displays red and the alert sounds beep 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 for 10 seconds. So, it's really important to make a break. You drink a little bit, then have a break 20 minutes, and then check your alcohol with that tester. The advice: do not smoke in that 20 minutes, do not eat in that 20 minutes, only wait to get the right and good value that you can see how high is your alcohol level in your body. And this is possible with the EK915 Breathalyzer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.